Unlock the keys to harmony, efficiency, and lasting success in your family business with our step-by-step guide. This video is your comprehensive resource for building and maintaining a successful family business. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Steps to Successful Family Business. This video will explore key strategies and best practices to help you build and maintain a thriving family business. From defining clear job responsibilities to employing external advisors, we will cover essential steps that ensure efficiency, harmony, and long-term success. Whether part of an established family business or just starting, these practical insights will equip you with the tools to navigate the unique challenges and opportunities of running a family enterprise. How it will benefit the audience. This video is designed to benefit anyone involved in a family business, including current and future business leaders, family members working together, and external advisors. By following the steps outlined in this video, you will learn how to enhance professionalism and efficiency within your family business, maintain fairness and objectivity in hiring and managing personnel, plan effectively for leadership transitions and business continuity, resolve conflicts promptly and maintain harmonious relationships, utilize external advisors for impartial mediation and expert advice, ensure clarity in operations to support growth and sustainability. These strategies will help you avoid common pitfalls and position your family business for enduring success across generations. Clear job responsibilities. Defining clear job responsibilities is essential for the smooth operation of a family business. Each family member should have well-defined roles and responsibilities to avoid overlaps and conflicts. This clarity ensures that everyone knows what is expected of them and can focus on their specific tasks. Clear job responsibilities also enhance accountability and performance, as each member is aware of the duties and the impact of their contributions. This structure helps in maintaining professionalism and efficiency within the family business, fostering a productive and harmonious work environment. Clear hiring criteria. Establishing clear hiring criteria is crucial for maintaining fairness and objectivity in a family business. Transparent hiring standards ensure that all candidates, whether family members or external hires, are evaluated based on their qualifications, skills, and fit for the role. This approach helps in selecting the best talent for the business, promoting meritocracy and reducing potential biases. Clear hiring criteria also enhance the credibility of the family business, as stakeholders perceive the hiring process as fair and professional. By prioritizing competence and alignment with business goals, family businesses can build a strong and capable workforce. Management transition plan. A well-defined management transition plan is vital for the longevity and stability of a family business. This plan outlines the process for leadership changes, ensuring a smooth transition when the time comes. It includes identifying potential successors, providing them with the necessary training and experience, and gradually transferring responsibilities. A clear management transition plan reduces uncertainties and conflicts, ensuring continuity and stability. It also demonstrates the family's commitment to the business's future success, fostering confidence among employees, customers, and other stakeholders. Planning for succession early and thoroughly is key to sustaining the business across generations. Agreement on business sale. Reaching an agreement on whether and when to sell the business is an important aspect of family business planning. This involves open and honest discussions among family members about their goals, values, and vision for the future. A consensus on selling the business helps in avoiding conflicts and ensures that all family members are on the same page. This agreement should include clear criteria and conditions for selling, as well as the roles and responsibilities during the sale process. A documented agreement provides a roadmap for decision-making, ensuring the process is smooth and aligned with the family's best interests. Conflict resolution. Commitment to resolve conflicts promptly is crucial for maintaining harmony and productivity in a family business. Conflicts can arise from differences in opinions, roles, and expectations among family members. Having a clear conflict resolution process helps address issues before they escalate, ensuring that they are resolved in a fair and timely manner. This involves open communication, willingness to listen, and finding mutually acceptable solutions. By prioritizing conflict resolution, family businesses can maintain positive relationships, foster collaboration, and create a conducive environment for growth and success. Use of outside advisors. Employing outside advisors or external mediators can be highly beneficial for resolving conflicts in a family business. These advisors bring an objective perspective and can facilitate discussions impartially. They help mediate disputes, provide expert advice, and ensure that decisions are made in the business's best interest. Outside advisors can also offer insights and recommendations based on their experience with other family businesses. Their involvement helps maintain professionalism and objectivity, ensuring that conflicts are resolved effectively and relationships are preserved. Maintaining clarity in operations is essential for the smooth functioning of a family business, although it is not a guarantee of success. Clarity involves clear communication, defined processes, and transparent decision-making. It ensures that all family members and employees understand the business goals, strategies, and their roles within the organization. While clarity helps in reducing misunderstandings and improving efficiency, it must be complemented with other factors such as sound business strategies, effective management, and adaptability to ensure success. Maintaining clarity fosters a positive work environment, enhances collaboration, and supports the overall growth and sustainability of the family business. Conclusion and call to action. We understand that this video has explained vital strategies and best practices that can help you build and maintain a thriving family business. Engage your team in a constructive in-house discussion on this video's strategies and insights. We greatly value your collective input, which will drive meaningful improvements and safeguard your business against potential risks. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for valuable business management and risk mitigation content. Stay informed and stay successful. Please look for Basheer Juma on YouTube. Please access the playlist to look at the subjects of our videos.